New York, where the streets never sleep and neither do your taste buds. From $5 Chinese to pizza older than your grandparents' stories. Today, we're eating through the Big Apple. So loosen your belt, bring your appetite, and let's see how far one day and one stomach can really go. New York City, 8 million people, 8 million stories, and at least that many ways to get where you're going. This is Grand Central Station. More than 750,000 people pass through every day. Some chasing dreams, some chasing deadlines. I'm chasing food. Our first stop, Little Italy, the birthplace of America's pizza obsession, where old school flavor still rules the block. This is Lombardi's, officially the first pizzeria in the United States. Founded in 1905, when back then, pies cost 5 cents. Today, well, let's just say you'll pay a little more, but you're also buying a slice of history, literally. So how much does history cost?
We're the first pizza in America that's 120 years making pizza, same family, same owner, same people, same sauce. It's pretty good.
Wait, slow your horses. I'll be the judge of that.
In my humble opinion, the meatball appetizer is one of the best things we have on the menu. All salads are house-made dressing, and so is the eggplant. I do love those things, but number one is my meatballs, in my opinion, right? Now, pizza-wise, we got one size, 12 inches, recommended for 1 to 2, approximately 12 of these squares in a circle, right? Now, the best thing that I would recommend, double russet pepperoni, eggplant with top, Buddy's Cake Boss pizza, clam pie, and then if you want to try the white base or the white finish to with the white pastry. So you can make your own pizza, and you can add base with the white base and put whatever toppings you want. Make your own pizza, but I would custom pizza to get well done, pepperoni crisp up, and you have to.
What's the classic first pizza?
The classic first pizza, technically I would give you choice for that, either the margarita pizza, which is like the classic margarita pizza. But if I remember correctly, the first pizza is the Gennaro red pie, which didn't have any mozzarella, just the red base and sauce and Romano cheese on top. So technically, this is the classic one, but this is the more like famous one.
And which one do you recommend?
Huh?
You recommend the rustic up?
Yeah, I love
that's
that.
no.
Yeah,
What you said on Monday?
Yeah, let's do it.
Like
Sounds good.
Recommended, well done, crispy, so the pepperoni is crisp up. Is that okay?
Everything you said.
I will bring it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thin crust, crisp, smoky edges, fresh mozzarella, and basil. This is the New York slice that started them all. In the city, that made pizza one of my favorite foods. Yup, I burned the roof off my mouth, but I didn't care.
Lombardi's first pizzeria in New York. First pizzeria in America. It's flat. It's not as big as that classic New York slice pizza. It's charred underneath. It's still very thin though, and it has fresh basil on top of it. So that fresh basil provides a fresh taste when you bite into it. That cheese is fresh mozzarella. So that fresh mozzarella is actually fantastic because it's not too salty. But you get the salt from the pepperoni. The pepperoni is crispy, it's nice. This one is well done. So we're getting that char flavor underneath, just that hint of it. Bringing out the flavor of the tomato sauce as well, which is friggin' spectacular.
Flavorful. Very crispy at the bottom and then nice and soft and flavorful on the top. The sauce is doing what it's supposed to do. The cheese is just, and then we have some of the fresh basil on top. It's lovely.
While it's not the big classic New York slice pizza, probably try that again later. It's still a damn good pizza.
And there you have it, folks. The first pizzeria in the USA.
That I would definitely give that a 7, strong 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I think maybe even 7, maybe 7.5. It was pretty good.
It's definitely a 7. Right there. C's get degrees.
It's season up, man.
C's get degrees.
Not too far away, we cool off at a gelato shop that's been scooping happiness for over 100 years. That's a century of sugar rushes, brain freezes, and people like me pretending we only wanted one scoop. This is Ferrara, America's first pasticceria, an espresso bar founded in 1892.
You love this one.
That's what I was going for, you know.
Oh, excellent.
Let me see that. You know how wickedness that? This, you can't tell me say it's not Bombay them use like this. My friend. This is real mango. This is not artificial flavoring. Sweet, but wow, is it smooth? But this place is from what, 1892. Not from horse and buggy days. Must have the secret though. Wow. I'm dead serious, this is like a Bombay mango. This is one of the best things I've had all day. This, I can't, it's Bombay. It's a Bombay. It's a damn Bombay mango. It's sweet. Bombay have a little tanginess. And it has that, but it's ridiculously good.
There's
Bro.
it's new gut. That looks good.
I thought you said it's a new gut.
No.
I'm thinking it's like my gut new. Yes, it is. My God, that was good. So we just got off the subway and now we are in Chinatown. We need dim sum, we need duck.
This is Chinatown, where flavors explode and prices make your wallet smile. Exotic fruits, they have that. Dim sum rolling by? Yeah. $5 food? Of course. Fake Rolex or Gucci bag? Why not? You can have it all in Chinatown.
There are classic places in New York and then there are classic places to eat in New York. Chinatown, Italy, definitely on the list of things that must do, must see, must eat. So we're heading to a place in Chinatown now that serve epic food. They serve duck, they serve roast pork, they serve it all on rice, and they serve it for cheap.
Saw a line, joined it, thought I was going to this place.
So this is Tower Hung Bakery, known for its epic pork buns. We're going to see if they're as epic as they say they are. They said the meat to bun ratio is ridiculous. And that's one of Mandy's favorite.
This is what I was really looking for. Turned out, that was the line we were in.
All right, so I messed up. We're actually at Wha Gwann, the place that we were looking for. We're not at Tower Hung Bakery, we're at Wha Gwann. So this is where, I was wondering, I'm like, I don't see no bun, but this is where we get this is where we're originally going for the cheap duck, roast pork on the rice. Yeah, so scratch what I said before about the bun. We're at where we need.
Reminds me of Eggy in Jamaica. Get your food, watch our kickers.
There is one rule when being in Chinatown. Bring cash. Not a lot of card accepted at most of these places, so make sure you walk with your cash.
In a city where a cocktail can cost $20, This place is a rebellion. Fung, #1 fast food. No tablecloths, no small talk, just $5 worth of happiness in a to-go box. Roast pork, crispy duck, rice, all packed into a small styrofoam box that you could feed a small family. Or just me.
Yeah, that duck. I need some of that duck. Oh, look, I'm chopping that duck. It's Peking duck at its finest. I don't know how they could provide $5 duck, $7 duck, $8 duck.
They can, because that's not Peking duck.
Look at that gravy, jiggling with flavor. Duck breast, duck leg, duck thigh, and pork. Can I get a large roast duck and a small roast pork, please? I had to go with a large roast duck. Oh, dig into the rice and just bury it with the rice. That's the belly full right there, the rice. And then the small one is that size. Look at the difference, so I mean, could have went with a small, but who goes with that? Piling on a steamed veg. Yes. Searching for the right piece of pork. Bringing it over. Oh, it's a duck breast. Look at that. This is like Jamaica. If you eat duck, you eat pork. There's no chicken that's done, that's different from the pork. It's one thing because it's piled on.
Thank you.
It's like $15. Alright. So we got it. Woo Fung, but not the bun. Let's go eat. We're going right on the bird shit bench. Holy for bird shit. You can't beat a deal like this. I spent $15 and this pork is piled on high. It smells good, it looks good, let's see if it tastes good. It's very dry. It's not that juicy pork that you're going to get that's succulent. For what I paid, I'm not mad at it. I wasn't expecting Michelin star roast pork for $5.
How is the sauce on it though? Is it like sticky or sweet?
It's a sweet sauce that's on it. It's like a char siu type of pork. It's not taken away from the flavor of the pork itself, but it's added to it with a lot of sweetness. Probably give it a 4.5. It's really just maybe a 5. Maybe a 5. It's still not bad. It's dry. If this was jerk pork, I'd probably give it a 3. Finally getting a piece of fat. Let's see if I can change the square with a piece of fat because I can't kill him. It's $5 food and it's full to the brim. No. It's not bad. It's not the greatest. Would I stand in line again? Hell no. Let's see, try the dog. Look at that now. That is roasted duck piled onto rice over vegetables. No, this was $8. And if this is $8 and the other one was $5, how the hell are they still in business? I guess this volume at the mall said, but cheers to this. One of my favorite meats is roast duck. So this, I'm scary judge of talent when it comes to roast duck. No flavor. Zero flavor. on that. Maybe the skin. No flavor either. Forgive me, as chicken, I think it's chicken. You don't get that intense duck flavor that I like. But I mean, what am I saying? It's $8 duck. I shouldn't be complaining. I should be just chowing down. It's fast food duck. And getting duck for $8. The bones will kill you.
Get your money worth, right?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely get your money worth.
New York doesn't whisper, it shouts, it sizzles, it feeds you until you can't move, and then somehow convinces you to take one more bite. From the first pizzeria in America to $5 feast in Chinatown, this city provides one thing: flavor. But we're just getting started, because the food here, it never ends. It just moves to the next block. So stick around for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the city that eats like no other. One bite, one story, one unforgettable meal at a time.